This is a pre-class material, which means your teacher will talk further about these vocabularies with you in your next class. You can find support material on the second page of your PDF. Today, we're going to talk about words and expressions used to talk about your feelings. And we're going to start with no hard feelings. This is what you say to a person when you want to express that you have no resentment. You feel a little upset right now, but it's going to dissipate and you are not going to remember this in the future. No hard feelings. I will not be very angry with you about this tomorrow. The second one is mixed feelings. Mixed feelings is about two extremely opposite feelings at the same time. It's when you really want to do it, but you really don't want to do it. It's when you really like it, but when you really hate it at the same time. So you say, I have mixed feelings about it. The third one, you say she's hard as nails. Hard as nails means that the person is difficult. When you try to negotiate with this person or when you try to convince this person, you have a lot of difficulties. Then we'll talk about tough. A person who is tough is a person who is not very agreeable. A person who tends to be very firm on their decisions is perceived sometimes as a little aggressive, which doesn't mean necessarily the same thing, aggressive and tough. Next one is the expression, I've had it. When you say, I've had it, I understand you will stop tolerating it. Now you will fight about this, or you will leave the situation. I've had it. It's like, I don't want to continue tolerating and being subject to this bad situation. Next one is, I'm on the top of the world. And this expression means you are extremely happy. You couldn't be happier. You are at the maximum of your happiness. So if I say, for example, how are you feeling at your new job? And you say, I'm on the top of the world. I understand you're very happy. It's really good. Next expression is, I am hopping mad. Hopping, mad. So I would understand that you are really angry, really angry to the point that you almost hop, and it something made you really extremely angry about it. Next expression is bring it on. Bring it on is when you are not afraid of the challenge or when you are not afraid of the aggressive person. Someone mentions to you some difficulties and you say, bring it on. I'm not afraid. I want the challenge. Come on, bring it on. Next expression is in the heat of the moment. The heat of the moment means that was not my real self. I normally don't do that. I don't say those things. I am normally very different from that. So I was very angry. Whatever was happening made me become a different person. So I want you to disconsider everything I said. This is how you express it. You say, for example, I said that in the heat of the moment, or I made that decision in the heat of the moment. I understand that is not the real me. Next expression is she stole my thunder. She stole my thunder means I was having a beautiful moment, a glorious moment, but this person stole the attention. For some reason, this person didn't like to see me having that beautiful moment, and she stole my thunder, like she stole the attention to herself or himself.